the time in my channel is just open toys and have fun. So let's go opening.
Yeah. Okay, Madison, pick one. I grabbed it. Just pick one. And then we do the rest when we're done opening.
Okay, so let's open one and see what they're all about.
So there's many different characters you can get, and this is just some of them. We have 24 in this box, so we're gonna collect a lot. Ooh, they're in a blind bag. Just like our Trinity and Beyond. And open. What could it be? What could it be? It's like a bear. It's a cute bear. Look at his cute little tail. And bleh, bleh.
It's a penguin! It's a penguin!
He is adorable. Look at his cute little tiny eyes and bleh.
And you guys, you can actually take the little ball out of
and you can swap your cases with other people.
And the colors, but we have the same color ball. So let's get opening more.
I've got mine.
I'll get this one.
And time to open. All right, you guys. This is so fun already. As you know, I love NeeDohs. I have remember our last NeeDoh video? I was crazy about them. Remember the...
I got the unicorn!
Wait! You think you did a cat!
I didn't like that.
It's a catacorn!
Catacorn! Kitty corn! Kitty corn! Kitty corn!
Who did I get?
I got a dinosaur! It's purple! You got pink inside, I got purple inside.
He's so... That is so cute. Next. And boop.
I'll get this one.
All right, let's
get
open
this one.
our third box. Wait, who did I get? What did you get?
I got a skeleton!
He is so cute.
I don't really know.
Oh, it's a little glob monster.
Glove monster. I got a glove monster, I guess. Super cute.
Hey, Madison, you should grab your boxes and then put your guys on the boxes.
Ooh.
It's like a little display.
Baby. Okay, we'll be right back. And we're back.
Let's
We did
open
it.
number 4.
Number 4.
And let's open it up. You guys, look, there's tiny little characters right there. So maybe I'll get one of them. Open. Okay. All right. Whoa. I got something purple. What is it?
Oh, a spider. Wait, is this?
I got a one-eyed monster. He's so cute. She got a pink and orange bunny.
I'm a bunny.
Splat. Blah, blah. Blah, 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 blah. Time for number 5. All right. Ooh, this one's hard to open. There we go.
Oh yeah, this one's the hardest.
All right.
The cutest is the hardest.
Yeah, the cutest are always the hardest. I got something yellow and blue. He's like a little chubby ball monster.
Ball monster.
Okay. What's this?
Oh.
What'd you get?
It's something purple and yellow. It's a kitty. Ow.
Number 6. We sure are moving fast when we have fun.
Yeah.
All right, time for number 7.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna start putting the boxes over
It's almost
here.
blue and orange. It's a little like orange guy.
Wait, can I see? I don't know what that is.
It looks like my brother watches a show called Blippi. This kind of looks like him because look, he has a little.
Hey, I got the same color.
That's so cute. They're like twins. Time for number 7.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Right? Number 7. Grab the blind bag.
I got so excited I accidentally.
She dropped her NeeDoh.
I got so excited I accidentally
Shut
ripped the
box.
box.
This box is hard. Shut. I'll just go like this. this. Where in the world is that opening thing?
I got it back like a green one. What is it?
She looks like an angry
What is
gorilla.
it? It's like a monster.
I got some
goblin.
Oh, look at him. He's so cute.
I'm Markowski. Markowski.
And time for number... I forgot what number this is.
9.
Number...
Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, 8.
Number 8. Ah! That one was really hard to open.
I thought we just opened 8. Oh my goodness, shut. It's getting so hard.
This box wants to shut.
Yeah.
Oh. We're gonna have to put some in front of others. Because otherwise it would go
I'm just
all the way
putting
over
mine
there.
A dog.
You got a dog? You got Doge? Doge!
I got Doge.
I got a superhero.
Dun, dun, dun. All right, number 9.
Number 9.
I love headshots.
The texture.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Ooh. So
It's
cute.
a bear. It's a bulldog.
Bulldog, because bulldogs have those little necklaces.
It's called a koala. All right. Time for number 10?
Yeah, 10.
10. We are on number 10, which means we are in the double digits. I got like a mouse. He's cute. Look at his little buck teeth. He's not. No, he's not a mouse. Look.
Hey, Trinity.
Cute.
Oh wait, they're different.
Yeah, they are.
They have the same face. It's cute.
Or the same color.
Oh!
Time for number 11. We're in the double digits now.
This one.
There we go. The ones at the bottom are getting really hard to open. Oh no! Oh no, what?
Uh-oh. This one's not opening.
It's not opening?
No! Like the top is like at the top, but
There
it's
you
like
go.
inside.
All right. Open number.
Oh my goodness. Number 11.
Oh, I got a mouse.
It's like green.
So cute.
Oh yeah.
That's Dad.
No, Preston, I would say.
All right. Oh, it's falling. I'm gonna open this one now.
It's like teal. It's teal.
I got a cupcake.
Dun, dun, dun. Flash.
She got Flash. And me.
Done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 11, 12. Okay, you guys, so we are going to do some trading.
Okay, so I will trade you my superhero. So now you have, oh, excuse me, a superhero team. All right.
How about you trade me your skeleton?
For monkey?
Yeah.
Yep. Woo! He is so.
Oh no! This one fell down. Seriously, like their legs are backwards.
Down, 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 down.
Yeah, seriously, her legs are backwards. Well, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you give me a huge thumbs up.